Hi babes, welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie. If you haven't been here before, then welcome. As you see in the title of this video, we are doing a little bit of makeup therapy. I was in much need of just some girl time, a little bit of pampering, and just catering to myself today. So that's what we're doing. We're doing this really gorgeous plum purple fall look, which is definitely a fave. I'm going to be doing this a lot more often because I didn't realize how gorgeous these colors look on my skin tone. I'm also going to have all of the products that I use listed on the screen and also in the description box in case you are interested in any of these products. And we're just going to jump straight in. So right now I am just blending out my shadow. We're going to really concentrate on the crease. And guys, I think I have finally learned how to do my eyeshadow and cater it to my eye shape, because for the longest, I think up until this point, I really didn't know how to do my eyeshadow for my eyes in particular. And I've struggled with this forever. My lids, I have a lot of lid space, but the skin above my lids tends to hang, or it like really sits on top of my lids, and I get a lot of transferring with my eyeshadow. So I hate it. I could never figure out exactly how to do it. I tried raising my lid color up above my crease, but sometimes I don't really like how that looks, but you'll see in a minute just how I do it. And I finally have been able to figure out how to cater my eyeshadow to my eyes, and I'm so happy about that. But that kind of relates to one of the things that I wanted to talk about. I've been so in tune with myself. I've been learning so much about myself physically, mentally, spiritually, emotionally. I have just been on a self-care journey lately. And we're getting into holiday time, and this is my favorite time of the year. And this is usually a time of a lot of reflection and, changes as we're approaching the new year. And this year has been, it's been a year. It's been a year for sure, but I've been learning how to just find out new things about me, cater to myself, and really learn how to make changes according to the things that I need. And makeup is one of them. I'm a person who really doesn't wear a full face of makeup. It's very rare. I used to work in the makeup industry and I was forced to wear it 5 days a week. So ever since I left that, I just don't want to wear makeup that much anymore. And honestly, I feel confident and beautiful with wearing less makeup anyway. But today I just wanted to cater to myself and just do a little bit of pampering. And I found out so much about how I can do my makeup and how it can suit me a lot better. And it's funny because with how long I've done makeup as a career, I still really didn't learn how to navigate my own face. But now that I've just taken the time to just sit and have some YouTube videos playing in the background, and I set up 2 different mirrors and just vibe out. I did my hair, stick my baby hairs, and I just took the time to just sit and do my makeup, and it was so relaxing. But I don't know, I really found different ways to make myself feel more enhanced, more pretty, more feminine, and it really came out with this makeup look. I absolutely love it. So now we are going to contour, and contouring has just been my favorite lately. I don't do it often because, like I said, I'm barely ever wearing a full face of makeup, but when I do, it's one of my favorite parts. It just really snatches my face, and I don't know, I just love the way it makes my face look. I'm sure every woman loves the way it makes their face look, but I don't know. I've just been feeling a contoured face when I do decide to beat. And guys, you see how pretty this eyeshadow is looking. It looks absolutely gorgeous. Now we're moving on to concealing, and I will be the first to admit my under eye bags are something serious. They are dark, they are very pronounced, and I've had them since I was like 5. They definitely used to be a point of insecurity for me because they just never went away. and I would see all these girls with these really flawless under eyes, and they would complain about the slightest darkness, and I was like, girl, have you seen mine? They don't disappear. Even with concealer, they're still there. They don't go anywhere. They might get a little bit lighter, but they're still very pronounced. But I've got to a point in my life, and I think I've gotten here honestly years ago, to where I still feel beautiful regardless. I mean, my face is what it is. I don't have the slimmest nose. My under eyes are very pronounced and they crease a lot. And the skin above my eyelids sags a bit more than I would like, but I don't feel any less pretty or beautiful than the next woman, because I know that my beauty comes from within and it just radiates outward. And I think that reflects so well in this video how beautiful I've just been feeling lately. I've been doing so much self-care, pedicures and manicures, not right now clearly, but I've been taking care of my nails and they've been growing, and I've been trying new skincare. I actually just started using a retinol, and you can see that my skin has been breaking out, because when you start a retinol, your skin starts to purge a little bit just to get rid of that acne that's been underneath the skin. But my skin is improving, and I've just been a self-care queen lately. I might make a video on my self-care routine because it's just been fire. I've been feeling so feminine and so beautiful and just womanly lately, and I'm all here for it. I'm all here for it. And doing my makeup now is becoming a form of therapy. I don't feel like I necessarily have to do it all the time, and I don't. I've been getting more into social media influencing, and I still rock my barely there makeup look, and I love it because that's just who I am. But when I do decide to beat my face, I make it into a form of therapy. I play music or I watch some self-help videos, and I have the lighting, the ring light, even my umbrella lights if I want to, and I just make it a time for me to beat my face, feel beautiful, and enhance what God has already gifted me with. So that's what we are doing today. And we're moving on to the brows, and I really want to try a new brow pencil. I want something that's a little bit thinner. I actually got inspired to do this video by Only Bells on YouTube. If you haven't seen her videos, I love her. But she just did a makeup therapy video, and I thought, you know what, I want to do one too. But I saw that she was using this eyebrow pen from Anastasia, so I think I might pick that up soon, because I do prefer more of that fluffy brow look where you can see the strokes and the hairs, versus just filling them in with a thicker pencil. Not that anything is wrong with it. I just prefer that look. So I might go pick up that pencil. But yeah, I love this look, and I'm just going to slick down the brow hairs with some gel just to make those hairs stand up a little bit more. And we're almost done with the look, guys. This is definitely a fave. These colors look so good. And I've had this Fenty palette for so long, and I've barely dipped into it. I'm going to be using it all the time because I feel like it's such a good palette for color, but like wearable everyday color. So Fenty is definitely a win. I mean, how can you go wrong with Fenty? You cannot go wrong with Fenty. So we're just doing the lashes, and I've been wanting to try lash extensions, but I don't know. I just don't know how I feel about the maintenance and the cost, the upkeep. I feel like it's a bit much for what I need right now. So right now we're just going in with my favorite mascara from Maybelline. Not even just from Maybelline, I think just one of my favorite mascaras. I love this one. And we're just gonna doll those up, and we're gonna finish up under the eyes. And one of the last points that I wanted to make before we conclude this video, because we are approaching the end, I didn't want to make it too long and talk your ear off all day, but I wanted to say that your beauty is 110% internal, and it really magnifies with how you carry yourself and not what trend you follow. So I just wanted to give you that last little tip before we finish off. It's so much deeper than what's on the outside. Just as a reminder, if you've been feeling any type of way, I know, girl, we've been gaining weight during quarantine. We've been doing a lot during quarantine, but just as a reminder, it is internal, 100% internal. Everything external is just an enhancer. And the minute you accept that and understand what that means for you, I believe that you will start to view yourself and your beauty in a whole different light. And yeah, that's pretty much it that I had for this talk. I didn't want to make it too deep. I wanted to keep it kind of light. And we're finishing off with my absolute favorite lip combo lately. Every time I do this lip combo, my friends think that I got my lips done because it just makes them look so plump and moisturized and sexy. So I think I might make a lip combo video for women of color. That definitely is coming next. But this is the final look. Very simple, soft glam, perfect for the fall. And I hope that you guys enjoyed it because I really enjoyed making this look for you guys and talking to you. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.